These are beers from Saigon, also known as Vietnam. Saigon is the old name of Vietnam. It's called BIA Lager. Bia? Is it BIA or Bia? These are not craft beers. It's only 4.3% alcohol by volume. This is also BIA, pero iba yung pangalan niya. Hanoi Tet. 4.6% alcohol by volume. So, mababa lang ang alcohol nitong dalawang to. This one is lager. The other one is, I don't know. Wala siyang indication what kind of beer this is. Anyway, tikman muna natin itong lager. The color is very transparent and it's parang ang labo ng kulay niya. Oh. Ang bango naman. Amoy pale pilsen. But a weaker aroma than pale pilsen. Pero parang ganun. Cheers. It's very drinkable, but it tastes like generic beers. Generic Asian beer. Last year, we went to Singapore and tumikim ako ng mga Asian beers. Ano ba yan? Singha, Tiger, Shintao. And ganito yung mga lasa nila. These are macro beers. Parang San Mig Light lang siya. And the alcohol sensation is also very light. Maybe because nga, it's only 4.3% alcohol by volume. So, I don't exactly feel the alcohol in my mouth and in my tongue. This one is the 4.6% alcohol by volume. This is also made by Bia. Okay. Pareho lang ang kulay nila. It's also not as golden. Okay. Oh, this one is mas mapait ng konti. Pero very small difference. I like this one better kasi parang mas meron siyang complicated flavor than the other one. The other one is very generic beer. But it's also a macro beer. Another generic Vietnam beer. In the next episode, we're gonna taste a couple of craft beers also from Vietnam. This one is called Pasteur Street Street craft beer, passion fruit wheat ale, and the other one is Jasmine IPA. In the next episode, we're gonna taste these kinds of craft beer from Vietnam.